Hi fellow viewers, to everybody, good morning. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, to all former Bangko Filipino depositors, that includes me, please bear with me if hindi ako nakagawa ng live video yung after Easter Sunday. Okay, so please bear with me. Because I was watching for my father's health last March 21, 2025, na-amputate po siya. Yung kanyang kanang paa ay kasi diabetic, kaya naputol. So, kailangan ko pa siyang buhatin. So, no choice, I have to carry him over and over again. So, wala akong magagawa, kaya yun na lang po ang aking alternative. Okay, so this is a good news for me and to all every viewers sa former Bangko Filipino depositors and also Bangko Filipino employees. No? Alam ko nagtataka kayo or marami nagtatanong, nasan si Steve? Bakit wala akong live videos past few weeks or last month o April? Pero sinabi ko sa kanila na pag May, sure na yan talaga, hindi yan masisiro. Yan ang goal ko. Sa 2026, walang zero live videos. May live videos lalabas. If ever na delayed, upload ka agad diretso. So, yun. Okay. My topic for this morning is more on Bangko Filipino mobile banking app. I'm gonna tell you inform ahead na mahaba-haba itong discussion kasi maraming steps, processes, at maraming features, no? Ang topic ko is more on sa loans, no? Pag 'di ba sa mobile banking app sa other banks, 'di ba meron tinatag na loans. Yung tingnan niyo sa Palawan Pay, 'di ba? Loans, no? So bills payment, loans. Then sa loans ang lalabas diyan kasi ito common kasi ito sa mga Pinoy ang payment channel SkyPay. Of course, sa online lending apps, yung SkyPay na yan, maraming lalabas yan. Kasi maraming reference number yan. So, mas madali, SKY. No? Ang Peso, PSP ang code. So, lalabas din yan. Ang SkyPay, yan isang group lang yan. Iba pa yung Peso. Iba yon. So, lalabas din yan. YeecoPay, YEECO. Yan, lalabas din yan. Yan, Dragon Loans or Dragon Pay. Ang gagawin natin dyan, yung Dragon Pay at Dragon Loans, iisahin natin sila. So, yon ang pinaka-importanting part. Kaya, nothing to worry. Okay? So, SkyPay, Dragon Pay, Peso. Yon. Okay, sa Kashalo, lalabas din yan. Kashalo, Tala PH, lalabas din yan. Mabilis cash, possible, lalabas din yan. Itong common yung gadget loan, Salmon, Home Credit PH, Philippine base. Kasi all over Philippines yan eh. Okay, kung tatanungin niyo ako kung just in case ma-reopen for the third time, anong features? Meron bang charge? Yes, may charge po siya. Aabot siya ng 15 pesos charge, 15. Tapos kung masaturate na siya, magda-less 5 na siya, magiging 10 na yan in the future. So, kailangan siya ng innovate, no? So, yon. By the way, this is only few parts lang yan sa mobile banking app ng Bangko Filipino. Okay. Oh, by the way, baka just in case tanongin niyo ako, ito bang video na ito is paid promotion label? The answer is yes. All my Bangko Filipino related videos are paid promotion label. Paid promotion label. Kasi time will come in the future, yung mga references, lahat yan. Kagather yan. So, yan. That's all for the meantime, my fellow viewers. Good morning. Thank you for watching. Good morning.